You understand me? Because guess what? When she come at Old Harbour, she and audience still there. Because she didn't want audience to come at Old Harbour, come live. She didn't ask her she could have get a room at Old Harbour. So audience could have come down there, come live. So she and audience is still there. And when time Red Dance and she there, Red Dance and audience and her still there. Because when time Red Dance beat you up, right? And you tell the people them say the man no lick you. And when Red Dance beat you up right from a veranda, right? It was when time you come and watch you come visit audience. I want to go park and something and you take long to come home and you come home late. And Red Dance beat you up right in front of me. That was the first time. I'm just not truthful. And me I run up and down and kill off myself and man give me big stone all in my belly. Right? Because you're not truthful. You will set up people. You make people lose them life. And I want you all the while, you know, so you have some style there, you know, girl. You have to go drop them dirty style there, you know. Them style where you have me, I tell you, say it's a set-up thing, you know. You understand? At the same time, when time Red Dance put him hands on you, you still didn't see audience. You understand me? All of the long hairstyle them where you get on the pretty hairstyle them where you come up with. And a Red Dance give you them there. Red Dance no do not one of them hairstyle there. Pay for one of them hairstyle there. Audience good on when you go collect your package. Audience go down and the place the B&B and turn up in a long dirty line. As in get him money and go collect your package and come up with your big food and your fat burger. I saw him treat you. So you move so. How you move so? Eh? How you move so? Where a man would have never do that for you. Where a man would even respect you as a woman. You understand what I say? And the man would did it for you and push out for you. That the man there, you disrespect. And that the man there, you deal with them type of way there. And you're willing to take the man pitney and give it to another man. Knowing in yourself say it's not the man pitney, girl. Eh? And I'm going to respect you. If you want to eat me for life, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wilbert, I know him father. And Wilbert, I got them amongst him father. And he don't name no Wilbert. He don't name no Gilbert. He don't name no Wilbert, Gilbert. Because that means I never did even think about him name. You understand me? We never think about him name. You understand? From the moment he born, he could have just messed up from beginning. Do the right thing for your baby. And the baby get him father name. That's supposed to be your one. No Juna. Eh? No Juna that. Eh? Or the in first boy pitney. Eh? No Juna that. Eh? Make the man get him child. Oh, God good and God great. God make a pitney come out and favor the man. Carve out just like the man. The same look sleepy, dead eye will not have. God just make sure, say, listen to me. Hold that. I saw God deal with you know. So the truth can never hide. Right? So when Daniel want the baby for taps and rose, I fi make up in channel, I fi make him good, I fi make sure say Ray, brother, make the man get him pitney. And that me I say. That is it. Right? Me not nothing I disgrace you about. Me not put you down. Me not put down. Me not call this put down. Me call this doing the right thing. And do the right thing for the baby as well. You understand me? Me not call this put down. Me not call this disrespect. Me just wait for you come out in Anna. Because me know as how me did get for know. Me never know until the baby born. It's just the truth. Me never know until the baby born. It's when the baby come out of your womb. And next, me call Odien when time me there Barbados. Me call Odien and me say, Odien, listen to me now. I want you tell me the truth. I don't want you go around me. That is what I said to Odien on the phone. And Odien said, Auntie, and him laugh. Because Odien is not disrespectful. Odien would have never diss me. Even when my daughter diss me, Odien look on her and tell her, say, you can't diss your mother like that. Because I would have never diss my mother. I saw Odien deal with her. You see me? I'm shout Odien and I say, Odien, here one now. Tell me the truth. I want to know the truth about the baby. And Odien say, all right then, Auntie. And audience started to talk from beginning. When she get pregnant, audience take her to the doctor. When she pregnant, she come at Falkland. And Falkland, where we come from. Falkland, our place. She come up here. She come visit audience and visit the family. Right? So audience know see a film pitney. Where audience is one? Right? Audience know see a film pitney. You understand what I say? Audience said to me, say, afterwards, me not see him, baby girl. Him have said me the what on? What are him that? Him have send me the request, right? Audience turn to me. Wait there. No, audience may try then if send the request to him.
Wait. Alright.
Them not go want come for my life because them not go want face me. Audience will face me, she not go want face me. And she a go on like me a liar.
Akeem King send one invitation to you and he did send a gift and we do
where Akeem King?
With Adam? Hi baby.
Annie. Hello Annie, what's up?
Hey Akeem King, what's up?
You alright? Me realize say you're having a lot on the internet and to be honest,
yeah.
I always say is a bad mother. But today, I have to give your flowers as a good mother. You say, well, Anna do she can lose her life for it.
Yeah.
Me like how you stand up strong for her. Me like how you stand up strong because guess what? Where Anna do, she can lose her. Remember say me talk truth on the internet, you know. Me never yet come out come say me here to you know. Me just talk when you come out and say concept on the internet, you know. You understand? I never yet say me here to you yet. Never. But you're vexed because Anna constantly put the dirty life on the internet. I never did a target Anna. I see the fuck where Anna do and I just attack. You understand what I say?
I understand you.
What Anna do, she can lose her life for it and she's very blatant and dry eye with it. You understand what I say?
And the thing is this, Kim. The thing is this, more worry about the baby. Ain't nobody considering the baby in the midst. You understand?
In them story, the baby should even listen to me, you know, people. Me not spread the hate on my platform, you know. Me just talk the truth, you know. And anything me see me talk the truth, because I work, me a journalist. You understand what I say? I work. So when I say, Annie, me like, oh, kudos to you for stand up, because I don't know if mama would have do this. And call it so no live on a life on the internet. So we've been shown up on the internet for years. You understand what I say? I'm like how you come on the internet and spread the justice and split the truth. You understand what I say?
Right, Kim.
The truth.
Kim. You see from beginning, Kim. And like I said, I didn't know a little thing when I could have said. But the thing, it was not for me to say. You understand what I say?
Even when you say, Anna tell us that the baby are dundos, are freckles, and them time they never say the baby yet. You understand what I say?
Yeah. Me never did say the baby. Me just trust her.
At the end of the day, that boy can run her, and although once it's very evident, say he might use her and manipulate her out her money.
What's the boy you understand what I say? You don't want a eye glass to see that, Kim. You don't need a eye glass to see evidence knowing himself said the child are not theme, but it's when he can earn.
Listen, even when them a call mine, you know enough people are saying me in a raffle or something. Enough people in my comment section them a say, guys, but I was just cloning, no. Cause true, when Annie did make the video and say, cause Annie, you know in yourself, say, me never did a look, Anna, be honest.
You know, Anna, we never, look here. What does this say, so me attack you, you do the thing already, because me and you know, say you never did nothing like that.
Annie, you know, say Anna did a show up herself for me. Be honest, start the truth. We not gonna lie.
I don't know about the sugar part, but me know say at a point she did have a little like feel because you did smooth them type of way. But me don't know about the sugar part. Me don't know about that. I don't know about the sugar part. But me know say you know?
Say can come talk the truth now. Cause remember the last say they agree with her. Which of your daughter I understand say you have to pick up for her. Never did I look, Anna.
When I come for done you, I come for done you. I don't know nothing about you. I go find something about you. I go try and hurt your team.
To be honest, if me didn't want to persuade Anna into a relationship, I could have been get Anna and know this too. You understand what I
say? Because she makes some mistake, you're going like she easy. I don't like that. You move like that.
Easy, but I just say, no matter easy. When somebody likes somebody and I know nothing about them, they like somebody. We never there. You understand what I say? But me like where I do, so you can come and you can be honest, you can split the justice. But me feel like say at one point you have to just take it off of the internet and just try to get some assistance or some family member to intervene, because what Anna is doing is very dangerous and it can cost her life and it can cost your life. You understand? Because
I understand that.
a man
I understand.
that is not his man with their things for it. You understand what I say? Man
understand.
with their things are hurt, but man they up yourself for long. Because I don't want them get the wrong narrative. You can't ask them, but I'm coming down now. Arrest my
All right. Big up yourself, Akeem.